Here comes your pre-market summary for Wednesday, June 14th. Futures holding on to positive territory for the most part ahead of, it's Fed Day coming up this afternoon at 2 p.m. Eastern. We'll get the latest decision from Fed Chair Powell on interest rates. Might be more important what happens after that, however, at 2:30 with the press conference. Are they going to continue on this pause train? Because it looks like more than a 90% chance now that we won't get a hike for the first time in 10 meetings today. Let's have a look at how things are shaping up right now. 0.14 for the S&P 500, 0.23 downside right now for the Dow, 0.17 for the NASDAQ. Bit of a mixed board overall. Crude oil back to the upside along with Bitcoin and Ethereum back in positive territory, both exactly at 0.5% right now. Oh yeah, coming up at 8:30 this morning as well, more inflation data. PPI year over year expected 1.5%, the month over month negative 0.1. We'll talk about that coming up as we come on at 8:30. Core 2.9% expected there with a 0.2% month over month hike as well, or move to the upside anyway. The more important note going to be down here. FOMC coming up at 2 o'clock. We'll get the rate hike or get the rate decision. I should say 5.25 expected there, which would be a pause. And then the press conference coming up after that. There it is at 2:30. Overall, that's how the market is shaping up as we head towards the open on a Wednesday here. Nice positive move into the close yesterday for both the NASDAQ and the S&P 500 back towards the highs. Few things we're working on right now. AMD back to the upside this morning after they sold the news in a big way yesterday at their AI event. Some rumblings suggesting that AWS could already be one of their clients or customers potentially for this new AI chip. So we'll have a look at AMD coming up. Tesla looking really good actually here, pre-market up about 2%. On this note, they've slightly raised once again their Model Y prices in the U.S. I mean, this chart tells the story for Tesla. What a move it's been over the past few weeks. EU lawsuit coming through in a charge, in fact, for Google on anti-competitive ad tech practices. This is going all the way back to 2014 when this started. So not sure this will be much of a big deal today, but we'll have a look at that. Nice look for Plug Power here in the pre-market as well. Investor Day coming up. They're going to update their business financials right across the board. New deal as well on the hydrogen side for Plug Power, higher here on decent volume in the pre-market. We'll have a look at SoFi as well. Do we get $10 today? It's amazing. What a move this thing's had. More than doubling since the May lows. This one, Blue Water Biotech on watch as well. They picked up 6 FDA-approved drugs in a new deal for them as well. BWV on the move here in the pre-market. Grab the watch list, guys. Use that QR code, bottom right corner of the screen right now. We'll see you coming up at 8:30 on TraderTV.Live.